everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I don't think I've ever posted a video quite like this on my channel. However, I have been obsessed with these videos, so I had to do it because I'm just gonna be cleaning like all day pretty much. So this is like a clean with me video so you guys can see how I'm going to clean my super messy room. So I've been really sick this last week. I feel like I couldn't get over this ridiculous sickness. So basically my room has fallen apart. We also just got back from vacation to England, but basically what's on the agenda, I have a ton of laundry that I need to fold, so you guys can watch me do that. So exciting. But the whole room pretty much needs to be cleaned. I really want to go through my clothes and get rid of some stuff, but I'll show you guys everything I'm going to be doing. But yeah, so let's start with the laundry because that's probably what's going to like jumpstart this whole process, is getting all of this clean laundry off of my bed. Also my duvet cover is in the washer already, and I still need to wash my sheets. Sorry if I'm coughing a lot during this video. I'm just getting over pneumonia and bronchitis. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this big, my husband has a funny name for it because he says it's like the British word, I think. Clothes horse, I think, but it's a drying rack, is all full of clean clothes. I just took this dress off, but I wore it for about an hour, but I don't want to be cleaning in a dress. And then all of these clothes on the bed are all clean and they just need to be folded. So have fun watching me fold some clothes in fast motion.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Fold all the laundry except for the 3 pieces that were like on the bottom weren't like fully dry yet, so I just put them on the top of the rack. It just happens sometimes our room isn't like, especially since we've had the humidifier on the last like week, our room isn't as dry as it normally is, and sometimes like stuff just has to have a little bit extra time on the drying rack. And then I didn't fold my robe and my jacket because I'm sure I'm going to wear my jacket today, and I wear my robe every day. So now what I'm going to be doing is picking up everything off of the floor and putting it away. There's tons of shoes on the floor and dirty clothes and dirty towels and like an Amazon box and a sachet of tea. So just lots of stuff on the floor, mostly from unpacking our big suitcases, because those suitcases that we used on vacation took up like 100% of the space in our room when they were in here. So I was like, we just need to unpack them like the day after we get back. We did that and then they exploded. But yeah, and then I have like just some stuff on the floor. So I'm going to clean that up, and then I think the next task I'll show you. Yeah, I can't even get my drawer closed because of how much clothes I have. So we need to do something about that, like now. Okay, so I just got this new camera, and the power button on the top is where the record button on my old camera used to be. So I keep turning on my camera and then going to hit record and then just turning the camera right off. So I'm a freaking genius. But let's start to go through these clothes. So I'm gonna go through it like we're gonna go through it together. Turn it this way. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this with you. The hard thing is, like, I feel like I like all the clothes that I have right now, but I just don't want to have this much clothing. But I know that a lot of it is like winter stuff that's about to be like put away because it's about to get super hot in Arizona. So I figured the winter stuff I could just put in the hallway closet, like hung up. Because I really, like, this is probably like the last week I'm gonna need it, maybe like one more week, but yeah. So let's start to go through all this stuff and decide what to get rid of and what to keep and what to put away for the winter or for the summer. Cool, yeah, let's go. Okay, so I just put my clothes away and counted as I put them away, and I have 23 pieces in this drawer. And then 1, 2, 3 sweaters that I'm hanging up, 3 black sweaters that I am hanging up because the season's over. So I guess, and then 1 dress that I'm hanging up because it does, you know, probably does better being hanging up. And then when I was cleaning, I found, or when I was putting things back, I found 1 shirt. This is actually one of the shirts that was hanging up to dry that I'm going to get rid of. It just doesn't do me any favors anymore. It's really stretched out. Like, these little strings that are supposed to be like across your boobs are really stretched out. And the shirt is just way too big on me. It looks really frumpy. And then a pair of leggings that have a hole in them. So that really frustrates me when I have to get rid of a good pair of like leggings, like my Torrid ones that I think are like 20 something dollars, like $22 or something like that. When I had to get rid of a pair because they have like a hole from where my legs rub together. Which obviously is a me problem, but it's just frustrating. Like, why can't they just like make that area a little bit stronger for girls with big thighs, or for just plus size women in general? It's Torrid. It's a plus size store. They know that the women that are buying their leggings are going to like have big thighs that rub together, and like I don't want to be buying leggings, like new leggings, every couple months, but obviously they want you to because that's how they earn money, I guess, but whatever. So anyways, out of pieces that I'm currently wearing, I guess not including what I'm wearing on my body, like I have like about 25, there's one right there, so I guess like 26 pieces of clothing, which I guess isn't that bad, but I still think it's a lot of clothes. And then I didn't include what was that middle drawer, because that middle drawer is just workout clothes and pajamas and my swimming costume. So yeah, I have 2 more drawers that I actually want to go through today and see if I can get rid of more stuff in there, but we will do that at a different time because I'm done with clothing for a minute. So I'm going to clean off the dresser next. I will show you the giant mess of the dresser right now. So the dresser is also where the TV is because we live in a bedroom. But yeah, super messy. So let me clean it up. I think someone's home.
Hey.
Hi.
Why you got a camera in my face?
Hi.
Have a kiss? What are you doing?
Just been, you know, filming.
I got home in like 12 minutes.
I know, you got home way too quick. Were you speeding?
No, that's the thing. Well, no, there was just no traffic.
Okay, back to cleaning, but the husband's home now.
You're funny.
Yay! Okay, dresser is cleaned off of stuff, but it needs to be cleaned. So the dresser looks way better. Scott is playing NHL games. We have the sheets in the washing machine. And look, he got me a new bracelet. It won't focus. I'll show you later. We still have a lot to clean. Icy Pug's getting a bath. Who's a good girl? Who's Mama's good girl? So, room's getting clean and the pug's getting clean. Oh, no. You're staying in there. Gotta get your eyes all good. Oh, we're gonna have to do this without being on a camera, huh? Huh. You wanna hold it? You're so good girl. Alright. Good girl. Good girl. You're clean enough.
Yeah.
No. No, you're not done. Your eyes are done, but you're not done. Alright. Grandma's turn again. Shaking.
Oh shit. I gotta get that. It's important.
Okay, I'll watch her.
Hold on. She'll jump.
Okay. Nope. I see Mama. I see Pug. Oh no. You have to stay. I promise you have to stay.